Something with a cat. I'll go in. Please look at me.
She's fine.
Wow, hello.
Is it looking for its mama? No, mama cat.
Hello, cat.
Mm-mm.
Oh, it's some shops and fairy. Cause don't eat the ants. Don't eat the ants. Don't eat the ants. Okay. Don't eat the ants. Okay. That's why the shops. That is really good to meet you. Oh, don't eat the ants. Okay.
Don't eat the ants.
Oh, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Come on. Come on.
Ay, hindi mo naman. Baka maputo naman ang ulo niyan.
Oh, his tail.
Yeah, that's his tail.
And his shops nails. Look at his nails.
Yes.
Okay. Because don't go there. So angry.
So angry.
Hey, stop. Go on the track.
Go to the tracks.
Oh, so cute. How good.
No need to push, just let it go.
I need to touch it.
Yeah, you can touch it. But be gentle because it's only a baby cat.
Yeah, it's only a baby cat.
Yeah,
Oh,
just baby cat.
and his tail.
Yeah, his tail.
His tail is very short.
Yes, because it's a baby.
Yeah. Let it go. He stop it. He stop it.
Hmm.
Come on, let it go. Oh, that's so dirty.
That's so dirty.
Oh, his bones.
Hmm.
He can't catch me.
Gonna catch you.